One of the things you need to take cognizance of when you are designing a flyer or a banner is the size. Now, for you to design a flyer or a banner, it takes the same way for you to design, but then the size of your design matters. Now, let's assume you are designing a flyer to be shared on social media. The best size for you to use is a square, because it fits in to every social media. Unlike the normal flyer size, the A5, it doesn't fit. Social media like Instagram will crop part of your stuff away, and even WhatsApp itself will crop it out, asking you to do that. Let's assume you want to use that for a display picture, but then when you are using a square size, it fits into all social media updates. Alright, so this is going to be one, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to design this exactly the way you are seeing it on the screen. Alright, so the first thing you need to get is you need to get your image you want to use, and then remove the background. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, now you click on this icon here, color, then you scroll down. I'm going to be very fast, so I want you guys to watch me very well. Alright, so this color I'm going to be using, I believe everybody has it on his or her Pixel Lab. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to import my picture, my downloaded picture. Sorry. It's under my download, so I have it here. Then you crop, click on that. Alright, so you increase it, and more. Alright, so the next thing, you click on the plus icon, then shape, you scroll down to color, pick the same color as the background color. Alright, you increase the stroke width as well, go down to stroke color and change to the same color as well. Now to the blur, just increase it to the last, to 25, then okay. Now here, increase this, then okay. Just need to drag. Alright, so now I'm going to pin everything down. Sorry, can you see what I just did? Now is called color blend. Now I blend the picture alongside with the background color, so it's one of the features of blending colors. So, and that's about that. So let's go on and add our text, brand more, comma, pay less. Alright, then okay. Now the first thing, we need to add our font. Now I'm going to be using a default font that comes along with Pixel Lab, and this is the font here. Okay, then you click on OK, scroll down to alignment, click on that, then line spacing, you reduce the line in between. Sorry, increase the size a little bit. And don't forget to always work with your line, your grid line. Alignment in your design is very important, so always make use of it. Pay less, brand more. Okay, alright, so pin it down. Now another sorry, another text again. Alright, just going to make a copy of that. Let me search for the image. Sorry. Okay, so protect what you do and increase project. Alright, so these are our text here. Then go back to font. I'm still going to be using a default font as well. Now the font I'm going to be using here is Roboto Condense, Roboto Slab Regular. Then click on OK. Reduce the size, place it closer, then increase it. Okay. Reduce the size a little bit. Alright. So this style icon, you click, sorry, drag this, then make it bold. Alright, click it down again. Now make a duplicate of this, edit our packages, then OK. So you increase the size. Okay, this first brand mode, let's change the color to black. Okay, I think the black is much better than white. Okay, so I think that is better. Alright, so make a duplicate again, then here you edit startup packages of 20,000 naira. Okay, so you do the size to fit into whatever we want. Alright, so after then you go down to background, you enable it. Okay, you know what, just edit, copy everything, cut, okay, then you delete. Let's take another text, paste, okay, then change the font. Still the same font. Okay, so background enable, then we pick a white background, go back to color, pick a black. Alright, let's add some features to that. Left padding 7, right padding 7, then OK. Reduce the size. Alright, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to make duplicates of this, but let's assume you are doing this for a client. Instead of this our package, your own might be our services. Alright, so then where I have my startup packages and the like, you write their services there. So let me try and make this black. I think that black works better. Alright, so the next thing for us to do is make a duplicate of this. 1, 2. Now this text there, you make a duplicate, then you can write anything. Maybe if you patron. Alright, let's just get your brand online and let people. Alright, get your brand online and let people get to know your brand through graphic design. Your own text might not be this, don't forget. I'm just using the normal text, just get the design out. Alright, so after that, the last thing we're going to do is add a shape. Reduce it, increase the width, bring it down. Okay, make it center so it will cover everything. Alright, so we had a text, our package, make a duplicate of it. You want to use that font. Now let's assume the brand has a logo already. So I'm going to search through. You can add the logo, or better still just let it be. Alright, so I'm going to be using my logo. Okay, then change the color to black. Alright, we do this. Don't forget, I'm only adding my logo. You add the company logo or the brand logo. If you're doing that, there is a need for that. Okay, there's no need for that. Just leave it like that and let it go. Alright, so back to our text, then send a message or call, or better still, WhatsApp / call +23490339232. Okay. Alright, so with this we make a design, but then let's reduce this. Alright, so right now you can save it as image. Don't forget, you are saving this image, save it as very high or ultra, because if you are sending the work, it's going to WhatsApp decrease the quality of pictures, and if you are sending it to any media, it's going to decrease the quality. But then if you are you can send through Gmail or any other means except from WhatsApp or any social media to avoid image quality. Alright, so I'm going to save it now. So with this, we've come to the end of our design. Let's see. Alright, so this is our design. Thanks for watching us again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the like button as well.